Always remove dry construction dust and debris before applying any moisture to clean. If the floor is wet mopped while dry construction dust is present, it can create a paste-like film that is difficult to remove. Use the following process to remove residue film and restore the appearance of your flooring. Step 1. Dry mop. Dry mop floor to remove construction dust or exterior soil tracked onto the flooring. Use a microfiber dry mop pad. Replace the pad once it becomes visibly dirty. Step 2. Wet clean. Spray pH neutral hard surface floor cleaner onto the floor in manageable sections. Work floor in sections. One method is by using a low-speed floor buffer with a 3M red pad to remove residue film. For embossed or textured flooring, it is best to use a cylindrical brush auto scrubber with medium stiff bristles and a pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner. This removes residue film from textured surfaces. For manual agitation, another method is by using a medium bristle deck brush. If using a floor buffer or deck brush to agitate, rinse the floor with water only to remove any remaining residue. Use a damp, flat microfiber mop to rinse with water. Replace microfiber wet mop pads as they become dirty. Depending on severity, repeat agitation and wet mop rinsing as necessary. Floors should be fully dry before allowing traffic. Have questions? Contact Patcraft. Always refer to maintenance guidelines for your product.